I'm here with a new RV-8 70 Generation 2 from Flex. So let me show you some of the new features that comes with the kit and some of the optional parts. So let's start from the nose to the tail. Up in the front, we have a 5 inches parabolic, our own parabolic shape spinner. We have it in the two color for the two color scheme, the yellow and the red. Then we have this plastic clear piece that comes with the kit too. This is to help you to make the holes for the exhaust. Basically, this goes under here, and then you kind of mark where you want the holes. This is a very handy piece. Going back, we have the landing gear fairing over there. You can see it really increased the looks of the airplane. And over there in the front, in this area, we have the fiberglass engine ducting for cooling. This is optional too, as well the spinner. It's an optional part. Basically, you know, they're going there in the front. Then walking back, you can see the MPX Connector mount. This is optional, but you can purchase at flexinnovations.com, and you need a pair for 2 ailerons, for two servos, flap and aileron. Here in the cockpit, you can see our new guy, new pilot. And this is an optional part too, and we have the two colors, to the yellow and the red, to match the color scheme. And then we can look inside. Going here, we have the canopy. Basically, you twist it like that, and it's ready. But this canopy, to remove it, you have to pull it back like this. And now the canopy has these hooks. When you move forward, it goes under the slot, and it kind of locks in place. But you can see the pilot there. The instrument panel it was in the Generation 1, so the cockpit and instrument panel comes out of the box as you see it. Inside, you can see the construction, not different than the Generation 1, but we have added the speed lock for the wings. We have 4, 2 here and 2 in the front, and this works like pull up. That's an unlock, slide the wing, and then lock in place. So continuing back, we have this tab over here. That's also speed lock for it. Lock and lock. Over here, this is the vertical thing. You don't need any tool. You know, just move it, unlock and lock position, and this will slide up. We have the pin for the hinges. We will show you later another video, the field assembly and all the steps to take it apart or put it together. Over here we have the also new is tail wheel assembly, more standard type. And I think with this we cover all the new features, and thanks for watching.